Welcome to Samadhi Center Contemplative Practices, located in the beautiful Southern Highlands, in Braemar, just outside of Mittagong, New South Wales. Here we offer meditation, Buddhist-inspired workshops, urban retreats, and so much more. We can do a weekend retreat or a one-day retreat with like-minded people. We have a beautiful kitchenette with full facilities with a bathroom located on site. And you can even shop traditional handicrafts made by Tibetan and Nepalese artisans. This is just a small sample of what Tibetan Emporium has to offer, and their full range can be found on their website. Enjoy the gompa. Here is a traditional Tibetan style meditation room, teaching practice room, with His Holiness the Dalai Lama as the center. The Buddha Shikibudi also central, with Medicine Buddha, Amitabha, and Grintara. So all these images we do not worship, but they act as a reminder of the qualities that can be cultivated in our own hearts. Off to the right here, on the right is Manjushri, the enlightened qualities of all wisdom, and Thousand Arm Chindarisik or Avalokiteshvara, the embodiment of all compassion. And the Buddha Shakibudi was the traditional or the historical Buddha 2,600 years ago. And we have Green Tara, the embodiment of all the Buddha's enlightened activities. So here, moving round from left to right, we have Green Tara, the Buddha Shikibudi, and Guru Padmasambhava, who was instrumental in bringing Buddhism from India to Tibet. Our outside view, beautiful grassy area that we can utilize. Welcome to Samadhi Center. Please enjoy with us. Like us on Facebook. Like us on Instagram. And if you have any questions, please email or text. Thank you for watching.